The top 10 most expensive liquids in the world. 10. Human blood, $1,500 per gallon. Human blood is not so unusual or so expensive, because every person carries more than 5 liters of blood. The reason the gallon is so expensive is because the cost of processing blood donations are greatly high value. It's true, the cost varies depending on the country, but in general the cost of handling donations continues to grow. 9. Gamma hydroxybutyric acid, or GHB, $2,500 per gallon. Gamma hydroxybutyric acid, or GHB, is a naturally occurring substance found in the human central nervous system. It's used in medicine as an anesthetic and to treat conditions such as insomnia, depression, and narcolepsy. As a drug, it's often referred to as liquid ecstasy. However, it doesn't share any of the same chemical makeup as ecstasy. 8. Black printer ink, $2,700 per gallon. Black ink is among the most expensive liquids on the planet. The black ink used for printing is the key to everything, and is used even when the individual chooses to print with colors. It's interesting to know some printer manufacturers produce the paint in the same place of the hardware. 7. Mercury, $3,400 per gallon. Mercury is not as widely used in the production of medical tools, such as thermometers, as it used to be, due to its toxicity. However, it remains to be the only liquid metal that remains liquid at room temperature. It can be used to conduct electricity, and in vapor form it's used in street lighting and fluorescent bulbs. 6. Insulin, $9,400 per gallon. Insulin is produced by the pancreas. For medical use, a biosynthetic version of the hormone is produced. A cheaper way to produce insulin is in development. A human gene for insulin is introduced into plants, which then produce the substance which is used to treat diabetes. 5. Chanel No. 5, $26,000 per gallon. Chanel No. 5, the most famous fragrance in the world, was first released in 1922. Gabrielle had her chemist Ernest Beau to develop the formula for the fragrance, which won crowds. When he was done, he showed Chanel some samples, and she chose one called No. 5. 4. Horseshoe crab blood, $60,000 per gallon. The blood of horseshoe crabs is used and harvested in high quantities today to test that a wide range of medical products are not contaminated. Horseshoe crab blood is blue in color, and its unique response to bacterial toxins was discovered over 50 years ago. 3. Lysergic acid dithylamide, or LSD, $123,000 per gallon. LSD, or lysergic acid dithylamide, fueled the psychedelic 60s. You wouldn't normally buy it by the gallon unless you wanted to give a small country hallucinations for a month. In fact, a gallon of LSD would be enough to send about 55,000 people on the trip of their lifetime. 2. King cobra venom, $153,000 per gallon. The poison comes from one of the most dangerous snakes in the world. The dangerous snake is hard to find. The snake typically avoids confrontation with humans if possible, but it can happen. The venom can kill. However, there is a big market for the same. The poison is used in medicine, but it was also used for the treatment of different pain and an aphrodisiac. 1. Scorpion venom, $39 million per gallon. Scorpions use their venom to kill or paralyze their prey, and as a defense against predators. One of the thousands of species of scorpion, only 25 has venom that's deadly to humans. Why the high price? Protein in the venom can be used for the treatment of conditions such as rheumatoid arthritis, inflammatory bowel disease, and multiple sclerosis.